Oh my god, so good. I've literally cried like 4 times already today and I can't get control of myself. There I go again. Can you still see the scratch that my son gave me? I know my face looks like oily. It's really not. It's just like a lot of good skincare. Water. All my girls are texting me. It's honestly like giving me so much life. I love you guys so much. Fab Five for life. And my other, you know who you are. Should I take the bucket hat? No, I've already been seen in this hat so many times. Okay. This is the bag for the models for the show. And I feel like I need to finish putting their accessories in there. These are some fresh Steve Madden. You guys are definitely gonna see me in these at some point. Basically taking all of my glasses. Okay, so now I have to dose out my medications. I have like one window open and one not because I was just like rushing so hard. Here's what we're packing. The whole. We're gonna take a lot, and I know that's not good for me, but this is why like we're doing what we're doing. You know, we're trying to get to like better solutions. Seems like a lot. I don't know, but I might need more. You know. Ow. Ooh. My mom and my dad are going with me. They're gonna be at the show. So excited. And I have my assistant coming. Wow, I basically emptied that whole photo. Because we have to be able to walk. Tylenol. I think I take like 4 Tylenol a day, like at the absolute most. So I'm just gonna pack like mine as well. Actually, that's way too much. I'm gonna look like a literal smuggler. We're gonna take our Tiger Balm just in case things get crazy. This hand balm, a little Cardio C. Okay, and if we're really gonna do it big, we would take our sea moss, but honestly, I don't think that that's going to be feasible this time because I don't think that there's a refrigerator that's going to be accessible to me. So I'm definitely sad because my chlorophyll is running low, but I'm feeling pretty good. I decided to go with the bucket hat for the airport because like obviously that was just the better choice. And it's so good for traveling, but like look at how cute this Sprinter is. So cute. So yeah, we're getting ready to leave. Ciao.